Good morning, friends. This is your section Cooking with Cornelias. Do. Today we will prepare a delicious and healthy cereal. For processing, we need the following:
A box of cereal, the flour your choice. A bowl.
Yes, it's a bowl. It's a football bowl.
No, it's a bowl. It's a bowl.
No bowl?
No.
Yeah, okay. Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure the cereal is eaten in the bowl, not the bowl.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's crazy.
well, forget it and continue. We also need
Some milk.
A little syrup.
Sugar, oh honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you, honey, oh sugar, you are my candy girl.
And banana.
In the island of Jamaica, everybody loves banana. Mexicana like it, banana. Bad, banana. Nice, banana. Sweet, banana. Light, banana. Bad, banana. Young girl like it, banana. Old lady like it, banana. She doesn't like it, banana. I don't want it, banana duro.
Or some fruit of your choice. To Beijing, we must place an ingredients into the bowl as we should below.
first. We shall take the bowl.
The place a little cereal in the bowl, about 300 grams.
Huh?
More?
Some people first serve milk and cereal later, and sometimes you can put a little milk or cereal.
Also did a little sugar to taste.
And finally, put the banana in the bowl.
Put a banana in your bowl. Put a banana in your bowl?
No, I mean you have to place the banana without the peel and slice.
Okay. How to say that before?
You can also add the fruits like strawberry or other fruit.
One moment.
Thank you.
¿Qué dicen? Shut up.
¿Y yo qué?
Shut up. Al azúcar. Finally, take the spoon.
Introduction the spoon in the bowl.
Place the spoon to do your mouth.
Sour and enjoy.
Ready! Now you can invite your friends to enjoy a cereal rich in the comfort of your home. Delicious!
For a friend who were out an ingredients or a step alone, we present the recipe.
To conclude the recipe, we say goodbye thanking of your sponsors.
Milk Zaragoza.
And cereal fitness.
See you tomorrow.
Bye!
o uno?
¿De dos?
No, uno. No,
sé.
uno.
¿Ya la pusiste a grabar qué cosa?
Ya.
Ah, ok.
¿Qué pasa? Lo sabía.
Me sale
Macho, macho, me.
¿Y lo que? Qué pendejo.
¡Qué perro que haces! Banana, 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 banana.
Good morning, friends. This is your section cooking.
Espérate, no vuelve a empezar porque luego está con la banana y luego la neta está cambiando a...
Cuéntenos.
Spawn. So mean.
Pero, fútbol bowl.
No le cambiaste.
Es que se quedó trabado.
Entonces dice tuturú.
Good morning.